Financial Institution Section 239. A financial institution is a company that provides services like loans, credit, investments, and financial advice, crucially mobilizing savings and directing funds to productive investments. Key characteristics and functions. 1. Types of financial institutions. Banks, commercial banks, cooperative banks, and development banks that accept deposits and provide loans and other financial services. Non-banking financial companies, NBFCs, entities engaged in financial activities similar to banks but do not hold a banking license, such as leasing, hire purchase, investment advisory, and stockbroking. Insurance companies, providers of insurance products and services, including life insurance, general insurance, and reinsurance. Asset management companies, entities managing investment funds, mutual funds, pension funds, and other investment portfolios on behalf of investors. 2. Regulatory oversight. Financial institutions are regulated and supervised by regulatory authorities such as the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI, and Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA. Regulatory oversight ensures compliance with financial stability, consumer protection, and market conduct standards. 3. Services offered. Credit and loans, providing financing for businesses, individuals, and government entities through loans, credit lines, and other financial products. Investment services, managing investments, offering advisory services, and facilitating capital market transactions such as buying and selling securities. Insurance and risk management, offering insurance coverage for life, health, property, and liability risks, and providing risk management solutions. 4. Role in economic development. Financial institutions mobilize savings from individuals and institutions and allocate capital to productive investments, thereby stimulating economic growth, job creation, and infrastructure development. Legal framework and compliance. 1. Companies Act, 2013. Financial institutions registered as companies are governed by provisions under the Companies Act, 2013, relating to incorporation, management, governance, and compliance requirements applicable to companies in India. 2. Sector-specific regulations. Each type of financial institution is subject to specific regulations, guidelines, and prudential norms issued by regulatory authorities to ensure financial stability, risk management, and protection of stakeholders' interests. Importance in corporate finance. 1. Capital formation. Financial institutions facilitate capital formation by providing financing options and investment opportunities to businesses for expansion, innovation, and infrastructure development. 2. Risk management. Financial institutions play a critical role in managing financial risks, diversifying portfolios, and providing insurance coverage to mitigate risks associated with economic uncertainties and market fluctuations. 3. Corporate governance. Financial institutions adhere to corporate governance principles, transparency norms, and ethical standards to maintain stakeholder trust, regulatory compliance, and sustainable business practices.